welcome back to a new video. Today I am at my local goat farm and there's a goat literally just standing there. I'm gonna try and get closer. Oh my gosh, it is so muddy. Look what already happened to my leg. Yeah. Okay, so there's the goat. Oh, there's another one peeking right there. That is adorable. It's so muddy though. I can't get over how I got my pants wet from the mud. If you can like just hear the mud, then like you can't me. Let's not walk on top of that because that's gross. You can see hi! There's a goat right there and that goat loves me. Hello! It's like, what did you just say to me? I'm gonna try and get at least close to it. Semi-close to it. It is so wet. Can you like hear that? That is so wet. Hi. No, oh, I never really looked at this side of the barn before. I guess like with me, but they have a trampoline. What? Bruh. Hello. It's me. Oh, that's hot. Oh my god. I really don't think like I should be like on this side. I should be on that side, but oh my gosh. Bless you. If that was even a sneeze. I'm not sure though. I can't believe you had a trampoline. And I don't. That's not fair. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, this guy's weird, but I'm gonna run away from this area. If you can hear my feet stomping. Oh, I ran and I scared them. Hello! I ran and I scared them. I'm not here to hurt you. I'm just here to be here. Yeah, I'm just here to be here. Can you hear them going, ah, 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 ah. Oh, I'm gonna try and feed some of them. Hello. Hi. Wait, will you eat Slick? Hello. You won't eat me? What are you doing? Okay then. Get some help. This goat needs some help. Whoa. That's another one. Bless you. Bye. They're all just like following each other, and it's funny. That one's like, what are you looking at? I've got some grass in my hand for them, but like I don't know if they're gonna. I think they're going in. Grass. It's grass. Goodbye. Wait, I think they're gonna be like on this side of the barn now. Ugh. Again, as I was saying, this is my local goat farm. So like, yeah. All right, I think I'm gonna go home now. I'm just gonna throw that grass over there on that side. Yeah, I'm gonna ride home on my bike. Oh my gosh, I hate walking and I hate that. Mud on my pants. That ain't good. This is about like the longest video I've ever filmed on this channel. Okay, let's get my bike. Ah, no, my bike got mud on it. That's horrible. Put Slick in there, and I'm ready to go. Bye guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bruh. Oh yeah. Bye guys. Bean Bogle out.